Hi, I'm Tracy Smith and welcome to the Entrepreneur Girl channel. If you're new here, we post 2 videos every week about building an online business. So if you are looking to work from home, you're in the right place. I'm going to show you how to do that step by step through this videos and also through the website entrepreneurgirl.net. So for today's video, we're going to be showcasing a question that I got from a subscriber on how do you get product. I also got another question about liquidation. So I'm kind of combining the two for today's video, and we're going to be talking about finding a product through liquidation. So I was working on my computer today and I came across a company that I thought would be a really good match, and I thought I could find quality product to resell on Amazon, eBay, Walmart, any of the e-commerce platforms. And I get this question a lot, right? About how do you find product? And so it was in the back of my head and I was just like, wait, I'm gonna stop what I'm doing and I'm going to make this video. So I turned on my lights and I'm just talking to you now because I know this is something that you want to know about, and I'm actually doing it right now. So I just pushed pause and I'm going to show you the process so that you can kind of see behind the scenes, how does it happen? So you guys know that I love liquidation. I created an entire liquidation series on this YouTube channel, basically a mini course teaching you what you needed to know about liquidation. And I'll go ahead and post the link down below so you can find it easily for those of you who are like, yeah, I want to watch that. Because I feel like it was really good, and I just love liquidation because you can find such good prices, and you can either use it for your own personal use, or you can use it to make money through e-commerce. And so because I get this question a lot, how do you find product? I wanted to just push pause and make this video as I was kind of walking through these steps with myself, because I thought, wait a minute, you guys ask me this all the time. And so now would be a really good opportunity to just kind of show you an example. So things change. I have a liquidation company that recently closed down. It was one of the local places. I've done YouTube videos there on site before, and they closed down. And I was really bummed about that. Well, what do? It's important to find and keep finding sources that you trust, companies that you can work well with finding inventory. And I do this by searching online. So recently I was on Facebook, and this is my Facebook group, Amazon 360, and you're welcome to join anytime. It's free. And I'm actually a member of lots of Facebook groups, as I'm sure you are too. And I was on 2 different Facebook groups. One was Trustpilot and one was Product Sourcing 101. And I found that this Bluelots was actually, I think, like over 30 positive reviews, right? And in the span of like 3 months, from like November to January, they got all of these positive reviews. So I was like, I'm gonna pop over here and check them out. And so this is what I found. I went on their website, bluelots.com, and some things that I immediately liked about it was this: flat rate shipping, excuse me. Flat rate shipping is important to me because I hate to have to do the calculation, based on weight, based on the type of product, based on my location. And it's just easier for me to calculate price points when I'm dealing with flat rate shipping. So $30 per case, I think it's $200 per pallet, and that's in the US. So for those of you watching this that aren't in the US, you'll want to check out, what it is for you. But I love that they offer the flat rate shipping. Another thing that I liked is actually this right here, these live conversations. I've already utilized that a couple of times, and even if I didn't get on it live, I found that they were able to get back with me really like 1 or 2 business days, maybe at most. And I like that. I like the on-demand customer service. I like that it's fast. It was really good. That's important to me because I'm trying to establish a long-term business relationship. And I need to know that we can work together well, that I can ask questions, that I know how to calculate my expense. So these are all important things. Another thing, when you do place an order, which I did, and you can see all the different types of products here as I was browsing through that. So I picked a box of name brand type clothing. And I just wanted, to try it out and see the quality, see the shipping, check out the manifest. And this is what you get. And you get this with every liquidation company. They send you a manifest, or they might call it a different word. But basically, it's just a list of the products that you're getting. And a lot of times it'll have the UPC or the ASIN number, the condition, and the retail value. Now, you'll want to work backwards with any retail values that you get in your box and make sure, that your price point is good. And let me just real quick remind you how to do that. So one of the items on the manifest is this North Face jacket. So you want to find the exact jacket that you're talking about using the ASIN number, and you want to see the price that you can sell it for on Amazon. And then you want to pop over to your FBA calculator, and you want to run through all the motions of making sure that you're going to get a profit after all your fees, both with Amazon and also, when you purchase the product originally from a place like Bluelots. So this is what I have done, and I was super happy to have ordered my first order. But I do want to show you a couple more things before I leave that I thought was cool. Bluelots, if you look at this learnbluelots.com, also had a seller university. And I've not seen this before with any other liquidation company. So I thought, that was pretty cool that they are putting all these teaching tools on here for you to be successful. I thought that was, really neat. So this basically, if you start to click through all of these, is a resource guide that sellers like you and I can look to for useful information on, sourcing inventory, which is that question you guys always ask me about, marketplaces to sell on, miscellaneous operation type of questions. So, you can tell just by reading this that there's a lot of information here. And if you wanted to just pop over, you can look at it there on this link. And one of my most probably favorite things is this listing tool right here this is the link. So here's your order page, your dashboard. And if you click on this listing tool, it's really crazy because you are able to purchase lots directly and then put it right on your Amazon and eBay accounts. Let me say that one more time. Buyers are able to list their purchase lots directly to Amazon and eBay. Wow. That's really an amazing tool. So kudos to Bluelots for doing that to us because, or doing that for us, because that is a really huge help. It's going to be such a time saver for all of that. So I did want to show you all of that. And then the last thing that I thought was really cool is if you're interested in the affiliate program, which we're actually going to be talking about affiliates coming up more on this channel because it's a great way to make a passive income. If you're already using a company, and just so y'all know, I'm not affiliated with Bluelots, not yet, not that I won't be in the future, but as of making this video, I'm not. But if you wanted to sign up for the affiliate links, it's here. And if you have a company that you're like, wow, I really love this company, it's really cool, you can tell other people about it and you can get 7% commission back. Now, that may not sound like a lot, but that means that each referral really can give you like $30 to $500, depending on the size of that person's purchase. So that adds up quite nicely, and all you're doing is basically recommending a company that you already use, and that you already like. So I like that Bluelots has this affiliate program. I like that they give you your own custom link. If you do affiliates, you know what I'm talking about. And also you can include in video descriptions or social media posts, which is also really nice when you're trying to post those links. So I think, I'm pretty sure that if it works like the other affiliate links, that anytime someone visits Bluelots through your link, you're going to get this commission, this 7% commission, and they are going to pay you within 3 to 5 days. And that's also important because, you want to get paid quickly. So that is the last point, and now we're just going to wait for our box. I got the Bluelots Bluelots box. It's kind of like Christmas. And I get to share it with all of you guys, which is awesome because I've never done an unboxing video before. It's packaged really well. It's a big box. Kind of surprised how big it is, actually. I thought it would be smaller than this. You can see the size. That's pretty big. Okay, so we have a packing slip, I assume. Yes. Okay. Lots of paper. Boring. Let's get to the good stuff. Wow, okay. Ready? Ta-da! We're gonna take it one item at a time. This is so exciting. Wow. This is nice. So this is the down jacket. And you can't feel it, but it's super soft. I mean, you can tell just by feeling it that it's really good quality. Everything's made really well. So if I just take off this paper, then you can see I'm just left with name brand lawn underwear. Should I open it? I kind of want to open it. Yeah. That's nice. Okay, so we have our smart wool. I don't think I want to take all of these out because I'm going to be reselling them and they're already in the packaging, so I can just cover up those stickers. But I can tell by the feel that everything is super nice. So we have another one of these. The other one was a t-shirt. And this is a crew shirt. So I don't think I'm gonna open this up because it's the same thing. We know what this is and we know that we love it. We know that it's name brand. Oh, look at this! North Face. North Face sells really well. So far, loving all of it. Okay, this is Cola Tree Organics shirt. So a lot of people like to wear, you know, organic type of material. And this is made of 55% recycled polyester, made here in the USA. That'll be good. Here we have our tunic tank. Pretty, huh? Pretty color. It's gonna be hard to sell any of this because I want to keep it all. This is another North Face. Very nice. Okay, here's another smart wool. And this is a zip shirt. I wish you could feel it though. It's just super, super soft. And they have really cool, you know, everything's been a real good color. Well-made material. Really happy to see that because, you know, sometimes you don't know what you're gonna get. And so you kind of open the box like, but this is good. Ah, these I do want to open. I gotta open these. These are insulated pants. So like a snow pant, like a ski pant. But they're not the ugly kind, you know. The cute kind. By Recco, R-E-C-C-O, I think that's how you pronounce it. You can tell me, am I pronouncing that right? Again, super cool color. Everything is well made. United by Blue. This is a button-down shirt. Again, cool pattern, you know, different. People like all that unique stuff when they buy. North Face. A lot of North Face, which is really good. Breathable material. See this? This is really in right now. Another thing, tunic. This is a serene top. And these are women's pants. These are nice pants. We got another of the tops. The performance training tops, like the one I just opened. So there's 3 of those. Okay, and that is the whole box. So let's take a closer look at our loot. Well guys, that's today's video. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and let me know that you like this kind of content. It also helps other people find the video, so that would be really helpful. Also, put down in the comments below if you have a really good location that you'd like to source at, if you have a question regarding finding product or liquidation specifically, then also post it down in the comments so we can continue the conversation down there. And anybody can chime in, so I don't have to be the only one answering. Go ahead and chime in. This is your community, and I just love to continue the conversation down there. If you haven't already, stop what you're doing and hit the subscribe button. That way you can see every single video. I'd love to see you here and we can continue to learn together. Thanks for everything, and I will see you next video. Bye guys.